Yesterday when we arrived here, we just went to the Leslie restaurant. You see that's the jeepney, the loud sound coming in from the jeepney. When you talk about Philippines, you remember the jeepney. They started like, that's a Japanese car, like a jeep, but they make it a little longer to transport some people. Today we can see that the volcano and the things around it. And I hope later it should get a little bit more clear, and that way I can fly my drone and see some good shots. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. We will see you in my wife's hometown, Bacolod Talasay Negros Occidental, and then we will continue our journey from there. So thank you for watching again, and see you in Bacolod Talasay